Show him, Justin.
Welcome back to Captain Discovery. Today we're diving into how Ben & Jerry's, the iconic American ice cream brand, manages to produce nearly 1 million pints of ice cream each day. Yes, you heard that right. 1 million. That's quite an impressive number, isn't it? But Ben & Jerry's isn't just known for quantity. It's renowned for the quality, uniqueness of each flavor, and its commitments to the community and the environment. Let's take a closer look inside their factory to discover what makes Ben & Jerry's ice cream so special.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to catch more exciting videos from Captain Discovery. Ben & Jerry's began in 1978 when two best friends, Ben Cohen and Jerry Greenfield, decided to open a small ice cream shop in an old gas station in Burlington, Vermont. With no prior experience but a love for quality food, they completed a $5 ice cream making course at Penn State University. The duo experimented with unique flavors and chunky mix-ins like chocolate chunks, candy, and fruit, creating a signature style that has remained to this day. Interestingly, Ben Cohen has anosmia, the loss of smell, so he focused on creating a rich texture with big chunks for a more satisfying eating experience. One of the factors that sets Ben & Jerry's apart from traditional smooth ice cream. From the very beginning, Ben & Jerry's wasn't just an ice cream shop, it was also part of the community. In 1985, they established the Ben & Jerry's Foundation, dedicating 7.5% of their after-tax profits to support nonprofits and community initiatives. Blending business with social contribution has set the brand apart. That same year, they opened their first franchise store, and the brand continued expanding across the United States. In 1987, they hosted their first Free Cone Day as a way of thanking their customers. This event, now an annual global tradition, attracts millions of people every year. With unique flavors like Cherry Garcia, named after Jerry Garcia from the Grateful Dead, and Chunky Monkey, Ben & Jerry's developed a style that's both fun and friendly. By 2000, Ben & Jerry's was acquired by the multinational conglomerate Unilever, sparking debates over whether the brand could maintain its unique identity. However, Ben & Jerry's has preserved its independence in terms of social commitments and continues creating unique flavors alongside community-focused initiatives. With creativity and strong commitments, Ben & Jerry's has grown from a small shop in Vermont into an international symbol of premium ice cream and community values. Discovery Challenge. Captain Discovery has a fun question for Ben & Jerry's fans. Question: do you know what was the first flavor Ben & Jerry's ever launched was? A. Cherry Garcia. B. Vanilla. C. Chocolate chip cookie dough. D. Peanut butter cup. Comment your answer below and see how many people guessed correctly. Are you a true Ben & Jerry's fan? Now let's dive into the process behind creating those iconic pints of Ben & Jerry's ice cream. To create unique ice cream flavors, it all starts with the ingredients. Ben & Jerry's uses only fresh cream, milk, sugar, and egg yolks as the base for each batch. But what's special here is that the cream and milk are sourced from local farms, where cows are naturally raised, free of artificial growth hormones. For each batch, hundreds of gallons of fresh milk and cream are delivered to the factory and poured into large tanks, ready for mixing. This strict quality control ensures that each pint of Ben & Jerry's has the rich, creamy taste fans love. Next, it's on to the fun part, flavor mixing. At the Ben & Jerry's factory, each flavor has a unique recipe that is carefully monitored. Once the base ice cream is ready, additional ingredients like chocolate chips, marshmallow swirls, or chocolate cookie pieces are added. One of Ben & Jerry's famous quirks is the cherry on top, a generous topping and mix-ins like nuts, caramel swirls, or brownie pieces. During production, the mixer gently folds in each ingredient to ensure every scoop has just the right amount of toppings. Thousands of gallons of ice cream are made per batch, loaded with these delicious extras to satisfy millions of customers daily. When the ice cream mixture is complete, it moves to the shaping and high-speed packaging line. The machinery at Ben & Jerry's can fill up to 200 pints per minute. The smooth, creamy ice cream flows into the containers like a sweet, steady stream, filling each pint uniformly. After filling, the lids are sealed tight, and a protective seal is placed to lock in freshness. This high-speed packaging process enables Ben & Jerry's to produce nearly 1 million pints each day, ensuring their tasty products reach fans across the U.S. in no time. One critical step in ice cream production is freezing. Immediately after packaging, the pints are taken to massive freezers kept at -60 degrees Fahrenheit. At this temperature, the ice cream is preserved under optimal conditions to retain its smoothness and creamy texture. Each pint undergoes random quality checks to ensure the ice cream stays perfect during storage and transit. Ben & Jerry's also enforces strict quality standards, from texture firmness to sweetness, guaranteeing that every pint is top-notch. After freezing, the ice cream pints are packed on pallets and loaded onto refrigerated trucks. With a vast transportation network, Ben & Jerry's ensures that millions of pints make it to stores across the U.S. in record time. This meticulous coordination in transportation keeps every pint fresh on its journey. Every year, millions of gallons of Ben & Jerry's ice cream are consumed, supported by a synchronized production, storage, and transport system. Ben & Jerry's isn't just famous for its flavors, it's known for its values. From sourcing ingredients locally to supporting environmental programs that reduce carbon emissions, Ben & Jerry's remains committed to social responsibility. The ice cream you enjoy is made with environmental awareness, minimal impact, and a focus on community support. They commit to sustainable ingredients, animal welfare, and investing in global social programs. So, there you have it. We've taken you through the entire process of making Ben & Jerry's ice cream. From fresh milk and cream to the colorful, flavor-packed pints, each pint carries the quality, passion, and community commitments of the brand. For Ben & Jerry's, each pint is more than just a product, it's an experience, a way to connect with customers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to join Captain Discovery for more exciting discoveries. See you in the next video.